So for this addition and subtraction of functions, then given these three functions, f of x, the g of x, and the h of x, then to find the value for this function, so since this is equal to f of x, then plus the g of x, so substitute now the value for f of x, and f of x is equal to x squared minus 7x plus 3, then plus the g of x, and g of x is equal to 5x minus 9, then combine like terms. So for x squared, so just bring down x squared. Then for this, negative 7x and positive 5x. So since different sign, then we need to subtract and copy the sign of the bigger number. So since 7 is greater than 5, therefore the sign must be negative. And 7 minus 5, this one is 2x. Then for this positive 3 and negative 9, so different sign, we need to subtract. And 9 is greater than 3, therefore this must be negative. So 9 minus 3, that's 6. So this is now the value for this function. Then for this given, so this is equal to h of x plus the f of x. Then substitute now the value for h of x. So since h of x is equal to 2x squared plus 5x minus 8, then plus for f of x, and f of x is equal to x squared minus 7x plus 3. Then combine like terms, so this 2x squared and positive x squared. Since positive x squared, there is one numerical coefficient, so we have now 2 plus 1. This one is equal to 3x squared. Then for this positive 5x and negative 7x, so different sign, we need to subtract. So this is equal to negative 2x. Then for this negative 8, positive 3, so different sign, we need to subtract. And this is equal to negative 5. So this is now the value for this function. Then for this given, so this is equal to h of 3 plus the g of 3. So first, we need to find the value for this h of 3. So for h of 3 from h of x, but x is equal to 3. So this becomes 2 times 3 to the power 2. So again, x is equal to 3. Then plus 5 times 3. Then minus 8. And this is equal to 2 times this 3 squared. So 3 times 3, this one is 9. And positive 5 times 3, this is positive 16. Then minus 8. Then this 2 times 9, this one is 18. Plus 15 minus 8. Then to find now the value for h of 3. So positive 18 plus 15, this one is 33. And 33 minus 8, so this one is positive 25. So this is now the value for h of 3. Then we also need to solve for the g of 3. So to find the value for g of 3 from g of x, so x is equal to 3. So this becomes 5 times 3 minus 9. Then this 5 times 3, this one is 15 minus 9. So therefore, g of 3 equals 15 minus 9. This is positive 6. So this is now the value for the g of 3. Then from this function, so substitute now the value for h of 3, that's equal to 25. Then plus the g of 3, that's equal to positive 6. So therefore this function is equal to 25 plus 6. So that's positive 31. Then for this given, the difference of the two functions, so this is equal to h of x, then minus the f of x. Then substitute now the value for the h of x, and h of x is equal to 2x squared plus 5x minus 8, then minus. Now take note, for the subtraction of function, we need to put the second function inside the parentheses. So therefore, this f of x must be inside the parentheses. So that's x squared minus 7x plus 3. Then we need to distribute this negative. So just bring down this 2x squared plus 5x minus 8. So again, distribute this negative. That's why you need to put the second function inside the parentheses. So this positive x squared becomes negative x squared, then negative times negative. So this becomes positive 7x, and negative times positive. So this becomes negative 3. Then combine like terms. So this 2x squared and negative x squared. So since there is one numerical coefficient for x squared, so this becomes 2 minus 1, that's 1, or simply x squared, that's 1x squared. Then for this positive 5x and positive 7x, so the same sign you add, this is positive 12x. And for this negative 8, negative 3, so the same sign, so you add, this is negative 11. So this is now the difference of these two functions. Then for this given, so this is equal to g of negative 2, then minus h of negative 2. So first, we need to find the value for this g of negative 2 from g of x, but x is equal to negative 2. So this becomes 5 times x is negative 2, then minus 9. And for this 5 times negative 2, this one is negative 10, then minus 9. So we have now g of negative 2. So since the same negative, so you add, this is negative 19. Then we also need to find the value for this h of negative 2 from h of x, but x is equal to negative 2. So this becomes 2 times negative 2 to the power 2, then plus 5 times x is negative 2, then minus 8. Then to simplify, so this becomes 2, then times. So this negative 2 to the power 2, so this is equal to negative 2 times negative 2. So that's positive 4. Then this positive 5 times negative 2, this is negative 10, then minus 8. Then to simplify, so 2 times 4, this one is 8, minus 10, then minus 8. Then to find out the value for h of negative 2, so this positive 8 minus 10, this one is negative 2, and negative 2 minus 8, so the same negative, so you add, so this is equal to negative 10. Then this time we need to substitute now this value For g of negative 2, that's negative 19. Then minus for h of negative 2, that's negative 10. Then observe, double negative. So this becomes positive. So we have now negative 19 plus 10. Then since different sign, so we need to subtract. And negative 19 plus 10. So since 19 is greater than 10, therefore this must be negative 9. So this is now the value for this function.